Welcome to ClearTask. If you're a day trader or investor, you know that split seconds matter. Dealing with a lagging TradingView chart is frustrating and can cost you opportunities. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the TradingView lagging problem in 2026. Let's get straight to it. First, optimize your browser resources. TradingView is a heavy web application. If you're using Google Chrome, having dozens of tabs open will quickly drain your computer's RAM. Close out any unnecessary tabs and keep only your active TradingView charts open. This simple action instantly frees up memory and improves chart rendering speed. Next, tweak your browser's graphics settings. Sometimes the browser's attempt to use your graphics card can actually cause stuttering. To fix this in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left-hand menu, click on System. Here, find the toggle that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. Relaunch your browser to apply the changes. Finally, consider switching your browser. If you're still experiencing lag, the browser itself might be the bottleneck. Alternatives like Firefox, Opera, or Microsoft Edge often use less RAM and process data differently. Try loading your TradingView layout on one of these browsers to see if performance improves. By following these methods, your TradingView should be back to running flawlessly. If this quick guide helped you clear your tasks today, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, professional tutorials. Happy trading!